Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about a very important update coming from NCL. So guys, please watch this video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell icon, because whenever I'm going to post a video, you will get an update. So without wasting time, let's start this video.
Awesome!
Well guys, there is an update coming from the NCL company. NCL is a cruise company, you all know about it, but there is a very sad update coming from it. The reason I'm saying sad, because they are sending back all the employees back home. And they are only going to keep those employees which will help them to keep maintaining the ship, for maintenance in short. So this is the update which is coming from NCL. Now, which two ships they are going to use? They are going to use two ships to bring back all the employees to their respective countries and home are NCL Joy and NCL Escape. I was very excited because NCL was the company who was going to start their operation on a full-fledged, and they actually called up all the employees and they were getting ready to start their operation. But the news which is coming, they have cancelled. By the month of February and March, they're going to send back all the employees which they have called up. So this is the update which is coming from the NCL. Now guys, that is why in my previous videos also I have told you, please do not leave your current job. No matter if company gives you a call and say, please get ready to go on a cruise ship. Yes, you should go, but do not get too excited and leave your current job. Take your time, because I don't think so now NCL is doing it. Maybe Carnival, maybe Royal Caribbean, Disney, other ship will also follow this, because the situation in US, Canada, Europe is getting worse due to this pandemic. So that was the update, guys. So in short, NCL is sending back all the employees, and they will keep only some employees just to maintaining the ship. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'll keep making such video, and I'm so sorry this was actually a sad news, but I want to share it with you. So please do not leave your job. Stay wherever you are and be happy, and don't cheat anyone. Just one simple request from my side. I will come up with more beautiful videos. Please subscribe to my channel. So bye then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.